So, suppose there is a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Then if alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial, then how are they related? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta equals to c by a, where a, b, c are coefficients of x square, x and constant term respectively. Okay. Now this we have seen, and questions based on this we have done. So we have done two examples, example 2, example 3, and exercise 2.2 first question. Okay. Now the second variety of question which we have to do is, suppose we are given alpha plus beta, that is alpha plus beta means sum of zeros we are given, sum of zeros of a quadratic polynomial are given, product of zeros are given, alpha into beta is given. Okay, and we have to find the polynomial. So polynomial is given by k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Okay, where k is a constant. Okay, so we can find px polynomial by this, that is equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Okay, so one question I am going to do and show you, then I'll be asking you to solve some other questions. Okay, so we'll be doing first of all example 4. Okay. Page number 31 of NCERT book, example 4. Okay, find a quadratic polynomial, the sum and the product of whose zeros are minus 3 and 2. So alpha plus beta is minus 3 and alpha into beta is 2. It's given respectively. मतलब sum and the product of zeros are minus 3 and 2. मतलब पहले जो number दिया है that is sum, and after whatever is given is product. Okay, we are given this and we have to find the polynomial. So we'll just first of all write the formula, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Polynomial is given by this. So k into x square minus of minus 3, this will be plus 3 plus 2. Okay, this is the answer where k is a constant. Okay, so it's easy actually. We are given find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as sum and product of its zeros respectively. First part, we are given alpha plus beta equals to 1 by 4 and alpha into beta is minus 1. Okay, yes, Nirviksha, you tell me what is the polynomial, quadratic polynomial for this one?
Ma'am, k upon 4, 4x square minus x minus 4 in bracket.
1 minute.
Where k is a constant.
Okay, so okay, you are saying k into x square minus x by 4.
Minus,
So this is the answer.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम इसके आगे और सॉल्व कर रहा है तो k upon 4
Hmm.
4 और फिर ब्रैकेट में 4x square minus x minus 4.
Okay. This k upon 4 we can write actually a constant. It is also a constant. You can write
It's a constant.
yes. So you can write k only. Okay. So all these are correct. If you write this, this is also correct. If you write this, this is also correct, and this is also correct. All three are correct. Okay. If any doubt is there, anybody having any doubt in this question, please type D in chat box so that I can know. Hardik or Yash or Kavin, anybody, if anybody didn't get the answer, any doubt is there, just type D in the chat box so that I can understand that I have to explain again. Okay, Kavin is saying he is doing. So is first part done, Kavin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, next second one. Hinal, you tell me what is the answer. Alpha plus beta is given root 2 and alpha into beta is 1 by 3. Yes, what is the answer?
3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1.
Okay. So you have to write k also. Anyway, if you will not write k, then also it's not wrong. But if you will write k, it's absolutely correct. You don't have to worry. So don't think that in NCERT book back exercise, it's not give back answers, it's not given k. So it will be wrong. It's correct. And you can write k is a constant. Okay. Everybody is getting this answer, second one. So how we have done k into x square minus alpha plus beta is root 2 into x plus alpha into beta. So this can be written as 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 and k upon 3. So this can be written as another constant. Okay. This is also answer. This is also answer. This one is also answer. Okay. All are correct. Then Himani, next question, alpha plus beta is 0 and alpha into beta is root 5. What is the answer?
X square plus 5. K into x square plus 5.
Okay, k
Root 5. Sorry.
square. Okay. Minus 0, alpha plus beta is 0 plus root 5. Okay, so this is the answer. Then fourth part, Shreya. Fourth part, can you tell me what is the answer?
K bracket x square minus x plus 1.
K x square minus x plus 1. Okay. What is the value of alpha plus beta here? Alpha plus beta, what is given in question?
1.
1. And alpha into beta?
1.
Okay. So the polynomial px is given by k into x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So it is k into x square minus x plus 1. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, Avni, next question. What is alpha plus beta?
Minus 1 upon 4.
Okay, what is alpha beta?
1 upon 4.
1 upon 4. So, okay. What is the formula for polynomial?
K 4x square plus x plus 1.
Okay. So basically formula is this x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So it is k x square minus 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4, or we can further write it 4x square minus x plus 1, and here it will be k by 4. This is the answer. Or this you can write k dash also, or even simply k also, where k is a constant. All of them are correct. Okay, right. Next, Siddharth. Sixth part. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth. What is alpha
X
plus beta?
square minus 4x plus 1.
Okay. Okay, answer is correct. What is alpha plus beta here?
And alpha plus beta is 4.
Okay, and alpha into beta?
1.
Okay. What is the formula of quadratic polynomial?
Ma'am, what?
How do we find quadratic polynomial when alpha plus beta and alpha beta is given?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not coming clear. Okay.
Ma'am, actually my bandwidth is very low.
Okay. Okay, so polynomial is given by x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, and substituting these values, your answer is correct. So it is minus 4x plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. So I think everybody might have completed this exercise. I have given enough time. Has everybody finished this? Okay, no doubt. Then I am writing some questions. Write the zeros of the polynomial x square minus x minus 6. Okay. This is a question of board examination 2008. Okay. So just after finding the answer, you can type your answer in the chat box. Okay, I request everybody to mute their mic so that I cannot hear any disturbance from your side. Okay, and actually I request everybody to first of all finish all the questions and then start typing the answers. So I'm giving you 4 questions on this slide. So you can finish all the 4 questions and then you should start typing the answer. It will be better for me also from checking point of view. Okay, I am writing 3 only on this slide. You can complete these 3 questions and then I'll be writing more. And when we are putting x minus 3 equals to 0, we are getting 3. So these are 2 zeros of x square minus x minus 6. Okay, so answer 1, answer is minus 2 and 3. Question 1, answer is minus 2 and 3. Okay, if any doubt is there, please feel free to ask. Okay. Question 2, for what value of k? Minus 4 is a 0 of the polynomial this. Okay. So question 2, there is a polynomial x square minus x minus 2k plus 2. Okay. And okay. So there is a polynomial px. We have to find the value of k such that minus 4 is its 0. माइनस 4 इज इट्स 0 मतलब कि x की जगह माइनस 4 रखेंगे तो इस पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी. ओके, तो x की जगह माइनस 4 रखा, सो माइनस ऑफ माइनस 4. ओके, एंड माइनस ऑफ 2k plus 2. दिस वी हैव टू सॉल्व. 16 plus 4 minus of 2k plus 2. Okay, or 20 minus 2k minus 2 equals to 0. 2k I am bringing this side. 2k equals to 20 minus 2, that is equal to 18. K equals to 18 by 2, that is equal to 9. So this way answer of question 2 is 9. Okay, for what value of k? Minus 4 is a 0 of polynomial this. जब भी हमको एक 0 दिया है तो हम वेरिएबल की जगह वो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे और हम जो भी अननोन क्वांटिटी है उसकी वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे. ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, if alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial this, find the value of this. Okay, if we are given alpha and beta are zeros, we know that alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So alpha plus beta, question 3 I am telling, alpha plus beta minus b. What is b here? Yes, in this equation b क्या है? 2y square plus 7y plus 5. इसमें b क्या है? Yes, Kavin, what is b here? Kavin?
नहीं है सर.
Okay, yes, Nirviksha.
मैम अच्छा बी मैम 1
b तो यहाँ पे 7.
-1.
Okay, so alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Okay.
सॉरी मैम मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 चल रहा है मेरे इसमें अब आया आपने.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. And alpha into beta is c by a. C is this and a is this. So it is 5 by 2. Okay. So we have to find alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So alpha plus alpha beta find करना है हमको. ये यहाँ पे रखेंगे -7 by 2 plus 5 by 2. That is equal to 2. And this is -2, so it is -1. Okay, this way answer is -1. Okay, I guess your answers were correct, but you didn't add them. Okay, so